Hello everyone. Welcome to our in-depth review of the OnePlus Nord CE4, a smartphone that blends elegant design with impressive technical specifications to provide a robust user experience. Camera system. Photography capabilities are strong with the Nord CE4, featuring a dual camera setup that includes a 50MP wide-angle main sensor with OIS for clear, stabilized shots, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens for broader scenic captures. This combination supports 4K video recording and offers features like HDR and panorama, catering well to photography enthusiasts who need versatility without carrying a separate camera. On the front, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is equipped with a 16MP front camera, which features a wide-angle lens to capture more expansive selfie shots or group selfies with ease. This camera supports video recording at 1080p at 30 FPS, allowing for decent video call quality. While it delivers clear and bright images under most conditions, users looking for ultra-high-resolution selfies may find it a bit limiting compared to other devices in the same category that might offer higher megapixel counts or additional front camera sensors. Design and build quality. The OnePlus Nord CE4 sports a modern design with dimensions of 162.5 by 75.3 by 8.4 millimeters and a weight of 186 grams, ensuring it feels substantial yet comfortable in hand. This model is equipped with a hybrid dual SIM setup and is certified IP54 for dust and splash resistance, which adds a layer of practicality for everyday use. Its sleek frame and two-tone color options like Celadon Marble and Dark Chrome add to its aesthetic appeal. Display. At the forefront of the Nord CE4 is a 6.7-inch Fluid AMOLED display, which supports 1B colors and boasts a 120Hz refresh rate alongside HDR10+ compatibility. The display offers a high resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, and achieves impressive brightness levels of up to 1,100 nits at peak, making it exceptionally clear even in bright sunlight. This screen setup promises vibrant visuals and smooth, responsive interactions, making it ideal for both media consumption and gaming. Performance. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord CE4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring efficient handling of applications and tasks with its octa-core CPU arrangement. This phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, providing ample space and speed for apps and media. It also provides microSD card support with its hybrid SIM slot. Despite its robust performance, the device remains responsive and agile, running the latest Android 14 with ColorOS 14 for an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Battery and charging. Powering the device is a large 5,500 mAh battery, which supports 100-watt wired charging, capable of fully charging the phone in just 29 minutes. This fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime, keeping you connected and operational throughout busy days. Final thoughts. The OnePlus Nord CE4 stands out as a well-rounded smartphone with its sleek design, high-performance display, and robust processing power. The camera system and rapid charging are notable features that enhance its appeal. Suitable for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike, the Nord CE4 offers a compelling mix of style, functionality, and speed, making it a competitive choice in the mid-range smartphone market.